I wanted to build something, but I had zero ideas what to build. Everyone says solve your own problems, but what if your biggest problem is you don't have any problems to solve? So I built an application that scrapes social media and finds real problems that people are complaining about. Then I use AI to turn those problems into real business ideas. And here is what I realized. People complain on social media all the time. Daily frustration, things that really annoy them. Here's an example from Reddit. I've been trying to use Reddit to research problems that people are talking about. But honestly, Reddit search feels very messy. Has anyone found an effective way to extract insight and trends from Reddit? And right there you have someone telling you what they would pay money for. So instead of just trying to guess problem, why not listen to the problems people are having? And this is the reason I built this platform, so I could find problems like this to be solved. Let me now show you the app in action. Here is the dashboard for the ID giver, and here you can browse the different business IDs. And we can also filter on, for example, categories, competition level, and time to market. And then we have some different tabs here. So we have for trending, and currently this one where we're showing the newest generated business IDs. And then you have a tab for my list where you can organize your favorite IDs. And then here you can also like change the layout, how it looks. So if we start browsing the different IDs here, let's see if we can find the interesting ID. This one, so let's see, Ask the Aisle, Smart Grocery Assistant, mobile application providing instant store-specific assistance to grocery shoppers. That sounds kind of interesting. So here we go to the details page for that business idea. So let's say a mobile application provide instant store-specific assistance to grocery shoppers. Okay, and then let's see the problem. Grocery shopper wastes time looking for items. Staff are constantly interrupted to answer repetitive questions. Where is X? And so on. But actually that's quite smart, because when I think about it, when I've been to a big grocery store, I spend a lot of time like looking for a item, or like finding a stuff to ask, where is this item? So let's see then the idea. Okay, the idea is a mobile application that integrates with the specific grocery store's inventory. Okay. Shoppers can use natural language queries, type or voice to ask, where are the organic eggs? How long to roast chicken? And so on. This app can be accessed with scanning a QR code in the store or downloading a store-branded version. And here are some competitive advantages. So real-time store-specific inventory and location data integration, natural language search, combination of location, recipe. Okay. And here are the target customers. So you have the grocery store managers, grocery store IT department, and so on. Let's check the different tabs. So we also have like a market analyst tab. Current market size, estimated 4 billion total market, annual growth, estimated to 20%. And then some trends in this industry. So digital transformation in retail. Focus on improving in-store customer experience. Okay. Okay, and then some competition analyze. So for the existing solution, there seems to be, the store staff doing it manual, static store maps, store website apps. So it seems like there's like a great opportunity here to develop this app if you can reach out to the different stores and like kind of build like a partnership or something. And and here's the key partners, so grocery store chains, data providers. Okay, so what are the risks and challenges with this idea? Difficult to integrate with legacy store systems. That might be true. I don't really know how like store system works, to be honest. So maintaining accurate real-time inventory, I guess depends on the store. Low shopper adoption if not well promoted by the store. Yeah, that's also true. And we can then also go to so we have a business plan here. So here is like a summary of the business idea. And the idea addresses key market gap, such as lack of dynamic real-time location-aware grocery shopping assistance. The venture is positioned for a 80K monthly revenue, estimated. The revenue model B2B SaaS subscription for grocery stores owners and chains. Value proposition for shoppers. Find exactly what you need faster, no more searching aisles, aimlessly waiting for busy staff. Right. And then we also have some key features, so store-specific item location search, ingredient suggestions, navigation with the store, map overlay or text. And for the market strategy, direct sales, conferences, content marketing, partnership, pilot programs. And then here is listed some skills you might be needed to developing this. And I actually think this idea is really cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press this button where it says add to list. And currently I don't have a list, so I will create a new one and I can call it favorite IDs. Press create here and then I will add it to this list. Get a little notification and then I can go back to the dashboard and I can go into my list. So here I have the favorite IDs and we can then see that it will pop up here. Also, if you go into an ID, you have this little button where it says print and save PDF. So you kind of get like a nice looking PDF of the business ID. Currently for this platform is adding new business ideas every week, so it's growing all the time. And the next part I will talk about now is the technology behind this application. So for the backend, I'm using Go as the programming language. And basically the backend is made out of 3 applications. So we have a scanner, we have a processor, and we have the server. So everything starts from the scanner, and here it will go out to the different social media platforms. It might be doing some scraping, or it might be using some API to get the data. And these scanners, they can be run on a schedule. And after it's done fetching the data, it will insert it to the database. And then I have this app called the processor. So the processor will take that data and feed it into different AI models. And the AI will analyze the data and then it will return it back and I will insert that to the database. And then for the server, I'm using PocketBase. So here I am in the admin dashboard. So the nice thing with this is like I can manage all the data in a like very nice graphical interface. So basically this is the full backend and the front end is written in Next.js. I just use it as like almost like a pure front end and then I call the backend written in Go with the different API calls. So this was the full walkthrough of the project. And the cool thing about this project is I've been getting so many ideas of projects I want to develop. Please let me know in the comments what you think about it.